The food, beverage, vitamin and other formulated packaged goods industries are seeing a rise in legislative requirements related to the management of nutrition, food safety and product supply chains. This drives a requirement for a deep and continuous management of these products in a holistic way. What companies need is a one-stop solution that provides a better overall view of their products. Inspirage Recipe Management is that solution. Built on Oracle PLM Cloud, the platform is extended by incorporating industry knowledge to deliver an enterprise-scale solution to manage, understand, and control this critical product data. For intelligent recipe management, users can build ingredient definitions and quantities and then automatically run calculations to determine the effect on the finished product. Users can then understand the nutrition, vitamin, mineral, and other rolled-up data based on the real-time definition of their products. For product compliance and standards, users can define and compare products to industry, regulatory, or company standards to ensure compliance and accurate product claims for every product in every market. And for contextual change management, users can analyze the impact of change to individual ingredient definitions across the entire product portfolio, as well as redefine an existing recipe with different quantities or new ingredients, and perform a what-if analysis on nutrition and compliance to standards before making the change. Approvers can react to notifications to review the change and approve or reject the decision. With Inspirage Recipe Management, users can also ensure control over product definition, automate recipe calculations, manage the impact of change to your portfolio, ensure multi-market regulatory compliance, drive supply chain visibility and collaboration. This is just one of the many innovative solutions Inspirage has built on Oracle Cloud. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you solve your challenges.